Hi, so this is a short presentation of our intraday trading framework for various sorts of strategies. They could be high frequency. So far we have not optimized obviously the response time from the data being received until they respond. If the strategy is simple, it takes us around 20 milliseconds to respond. The framework is capable of running thousands of strategies independently, as all are independent small programs. Therefore, even if one crashes, nothing happens. So from this point of view, it's quite safe. The application consists of various parts, of which only datafeeder and risk manager directly connect to broker API. Everything they receive, they send to other parts of the application, which are, for example, strategies. So there is not like 1,000 connections to broker API. There are only 2, and then those communicate with strategies. Right, the data feeder sends the ticks and bars, which it calculates by itself from ticks, and the risk manager communicates with strategies regarding trades. So it sends them fill info or order cancellation info, and etc. So this is GUI, which gives you an overview of what's going on. You can see the latest bars being streamed. Now is not exactly the most liquid time, but okay, let's see 1 second bars without any filter. Let's see all the instruments we have subscribed to. We can actively subscribe to any number of instruments. Now we are only subscribed to 3. One is actually not working. ES1 doesn't exist. It just just put it there to show that it will always stream basically 0 bars. Right. So we can see ticks, trades of the strategies, and this is the most important central part, let's say, the overview of the strategies. So let's not only talk about strategies, let's run some, let's say these 2. So strategies are not now running. How do we know? Well, we can check that they are receiving data. Last data update is active. Actually, now both traded. So we can check this, that our current holdings, both of them hold 1 ES future, so altogether in interactive brokers we hold 2 futures, and we have 2 active orders to sell. Those are here, and we can see the threshold time in around 35 seconds now. Oh, so they've been filled, so we made profit. So now they're trading again. Right. So let's change trading activity to fake. They'll have to complete obviously the trading cycle. So exit the position, and then the next order that they will send will be to fake API. Here we'll see it. Here we'll see it in our fake API, which again receives data from our data feeder, and it simulates the order fills. Let's say if there is a limit price, and then we receive the tick with the same trade price as our limit price, we conclude that our order has been filled. Right, so we've exited from the real orders, and now we see that this strategy entered fake trade, and here we see fill. Right, now also second strategy entered. You can see that the fill times match the last trade time of both strategies. We can also watch P&L. This is P&L since inception, but shortly we will add overview of days P&L and month-to-date P&L. So this is actually a work in progress. I think the most important to understand is that it's designed quite flexibly, and we are extending on the design, we are adding features, and soon we'll start experimenting with strategies. For now we only added basic strategies for the proof of the concept, while we were doing the heavy work on the framework. Thank you for your attention.